Hey guys, thanks for giving me your attention for just a little bit. I've been working in biology because there's been some things that brought to my attention, and there had been some updates that shifted some due dates, and that was a little interesting. And so I did some digging and found the issue, and that took me several hours to complete, and I had some frantic phone calls from some people in between, but the result is that you now are probably ahead, or at least most of you are ahead. So if you take a look at the screen, I'm going to be looking sideways because that's where it is. You're going to notice that the due dates have shifted. And so if I scroll all the way down here, so this person had been staying on pace with what the computer had started to generate, and this person is now ahead. So module 4 should not start until the middle of December. And so all of your other due dates have shifted. Some of you were really on top of it and noticed that your biology grade dropped real quick. But I've been able to go back and get rid of all of those masters auto-assigned zeros. So it should be cleared up now, and now you should just be seeing that you're ahead or that you're not as far behind as you thought you were. So hopefully that will be helpful to you. This all has to do with the last module, and if you can go ahead and look at module 7. There's actually going to be a video on that landing page explaining what was rearranged and how it's going to look. So for right now, good news on your part, some due dates have been shifted and you might not be as behind or not behind at all in biology. So good job, good luck. Thanks for staying on top of things.